Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing two exquisite fans from V-Guard. When the scorching summer heat hits, we all yearn for a constant cool breeze to keep us refreshed. If you are on the lookout for a ceiling or pedestal fan for your home, this video is a must-watch. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the V-Guard Enviro Pro 35 Watt ceiling fan. Let's unbox it. The packaging is neat and secure. This white colored fan boasts a beautiful silver rim, and it's worth mentioning that the same model comes in various color options. What sets this particular model apart is its inclusion of a remote control, which proves to be a convenient addition. Crafted with white blades made of aluminum alloy, it provides instant and efficient cooling. Moreover, it operates flawlessly within a voltage range of 90 volts to 300 volts, handling voltage fluctuation with ease. Now let's delve into its performance. The Enviro Pro is a 5-star rated energy-saving fan, allowing you to enjoy its cooling benefits without worrying about excessive energy consumption. It offers multiple speed settings, enabling you to adjust the airflow to your desired comfort level. And here is the best part. Say goodbye to the hassle of getting up each time you want to change the speed. The Enviro Pro comes with a user-friendly remote control featuring simple buttons. The top buttons control the fan's power on and off. In the middle, you will find 5-speed options for easy adjustment. Additionally, the Enviro Pro includes an inbuilt 8-hour timer which lets you pre-plan the fan's operation. With this feature, the fan automatically switches off after a set number of hours, which proves particularly useful during chilly nights when you need less cooling. The remote control truly sets this fan apart from its competitors, as it provides instant operation at your fingertips, eliminating the need to get up, especially when you are busy working or sleeping. This fan comes with a generous 3 years warranty. In summary, the V-Guard Enviro Pro is an efficient, reliable and energy-saving fan. Its sleek design, complete with an ornamental ring, seamlessly complements your home decor. Don't miss out on the chance to experience cool summers with the V-Guard Enviro Pro. Bid farewell to sweltering days. Now let me introduce you to the Enviro BLDC range of pedestal fans from V-Guard. The Enviro PF BLDC is specifically designed to provide you with a comfortable and cool environment without breaking the bank. Similar to the previous fan, the packaging of the Enviro PF BLDC is also neat and secure. The installation process is straightforward and outlined in the accompanying manual. Powered by a highly efficient BLDC 32-watt motor, the Enviro PF BLDC consumes less power while maintaining impressive speed. With a sweep size of 40 cm, it generates a powerful 1350 rpm speed and delivers an impressive air delivery of 65 cubic meter per minute. On the top, you will find a user-friendly control panel with power, speed, swing and timer buttons. Additionally, the fan includes an easy-to-use remote control featuring a power button, 6 speed settings, swing button and a 9-hour timer. This convenient feature allows you to pre-plan the fan's operations and save on electricity. You can effortlessly control the fan without leaving your comfort zone. The Enviro PF BLDC also incorporates advanced technology and an effective LED indication system, allowing you to easily monitor its settings and operations. What sets the fan apart is its 2-in-1 convertible system. You can choose to place it on the floor for a traditional pedestal fan experience or conveniently position it on the tabletop at your desired angle for optimal performance. Rest assured, this fan built to last. Its superior coating ensures longer corrosion resistance, guaranteeing smooth and silent operation. For your peace of mind, it comes with a generous 2 years warranty. So if you are searching for a pedestal fan that offers a refreshing breeze, stylish design, money-saving features, low power consumption, superior performance and convenient operation, look no further. The Enviro PF BLDC is the ideal choice for you. Stay cool and enjoy the summer breeze with this fan. Whether you opt for the Enviro PF BLDC or Enviro ceiling fan, both options are excellent choices that can seamlessly integrate into your home for years to come. V-Guard, with over 40 years of experience in manufacturing electronics, is a reputed brand known for its reliability. You can trust that these fans will provide long-lasting performance and meet your expectations. Make a wise decision by choosing V-Guard for a reliable and durable fan that will stand the test of time. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Also be sure to follow us on social media platforms for more useful content. Stay cool and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.